What's up, friends? Today I'm going to teach you brand new money-making method that nobody talks about. From just streaming on one single app, you can make thousands of dollars. Just only using your smartphone. Trust me. These few minutes you spend on this video will make you lots of money. Watch the full video until end, because all these informations are super important to do this. Alright, without wasting any time, let's go to video. And as always, don't forget to smash that like button, and don't forget to subscribe this channel to learn more valuable money-making tips like this. First of all, grab your smartphone and go to Play Store and search Tango Live app and download this app. If you want to use your desktop, simply go to www.tango.me, but only mobile app has all the features. Alright, here we go. Now open the Tango app on your smartphone. Here you can see, these models are making thousands of dollars every single day, just by streaming on this app. If you can dance, cook, sing, or play music, you name it. People will give you gems for your talent. You can monetize any talent you have using this app. Let's look at creators in United States. Just look at this model. She made 163,000 gems in one single day, and 40.7 million gems in all time. Let's do the math real quick. Tango will pay you $15 for every 3,000 gems you earn. She made over 163,000 gems in a day. So 163,000 divided by 3,000 times 15 equals $819. This is just a single day income. Let's see how much she made in all time. 40.7 million divided by 3,000 times 15 equals over 200 grand. This is just one example, friends. People are making millions of dollars only using this magical app. After download the app, you can simply sign in with your Google account or phone number. Then you can go to your profile and change your name, add your profile picture, add bio, just like your TikTok or Facebook app. Super easy and user-friendly. Only difference is this app will pay you cash. Within few minutes of use, you can learn everything you need to earn money from this app. Alright, next let's talk about payout methods. There are plenty of payout methods support in this app. You can get your payments directly into your bank account, your PayPal or Payoneer wallet, and withdraw your money fast and easy. Like I said, this app is legit and completely free app with over 500 million plus users. Just download it and as always do your own research. Maybe this will make you rich. Alright guys, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. See you guys in next video. And you learned something from this video, please like this and subscribe to channel. I'm out.